So I went up to my favorite fireworks store and Shelton and Phantom and got a couple of stuff for Halloween. So, four boxes of flashing strobes, little Showtime smoke canisters, 2 mammoth smokes, 2 train whistles, and 2 whistle peats. They're the same. We're 3 The Half Stick Smoking Crackers by Black Cat, 2 packs of Welder's Flash Fountains by Phantom, some strobe tubes by Shelton, some fuse, $2 for this, some smoke balls, and I think, oh, yeah, couldn't forget about these, Spear Bearer rockets by Polly Wonder. Now, you may be wondering what that brand is. You might know what that brand is known for, but a demo of these will be up within the month. But all I'm going to say is these are nice rockets. And that's about it. Yep. Okay, so thank you for watching.